Hi makers, and welcome to Cousin DIY. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little bookmark monster right in time for back to school. So let's get started. For this craft you'll need 2 pieces of foam, scissors, wiggly eyes, and pipe cleaners. For adhesive we'll be using a glue stick and a glue gun. So to get started, taking your green foam and fold it so that you have a triangle shape and the sides and edges meet. And cut along that line. We're going to open up our square now. We have a perfect square. Fold it in half, taco style. And then cut it again. Put one piece to the side. You can always make a second bookmark if you'd like. And then we're folding this in half to make 2 squares and cutting. Okay. Now to make the teeth. Take your piece of white foam and place one of the squares in the corner. You're going to cut about a finger's length away from the square. But if you want larger teeth or smaller teeth, you can always cut more. Do the same on the other side. We're going to cut little V's to make our teeth. And since it's a monster, you don't have to worry about being perfect. You can make him as scary or as silly as you want. Once you're done cutting out your teeth, put some glue on the back of both pieces. This will help to create a stronger bond. And then sandwich them together. And now we have the beginning of the teeth of our monster. Flip over your monster and take some pipe cleaners. Now's the time to get creative with colors. So I'm going to curl the ends, curl the pipe cleaners by pinching at the end, so I have a little bit of wiggle room, and wrapping it around my finger. That makes a nice little curl. Now take your glue gun and put a good amount of glue right in the tip of your bookmark. And placing your pipe cleaners. To join the back to the base of our bookmark, we're going to put a healthy amount of glue on the top of our pipe cleaners. And then go down each side so that you leave the bottom open for your page to slip inside. Be careful because the hot glue is hot. Once your hot glue has begun to set and dry, you can flip over your monster and add eyes. We have 2 little wiggly eyes that I'm going to add to our monster's face. And then if you want, you can add the bits of foam from the teeth to make eyebrows. Here's your cute little monster bookmark who will eat all the pages of your books so you never lose your spot. Have a great day and happy making. Bye!